Hello everyone, this is Deepak Seth here. This is the time of the year when we start taking stock of what happened during the year and what is going to come in the year ahead. Santa is also busy putting his naughty and nice list together. I also thought I'll put my thinking cap on and share some thoughts on what could be the major influencer or what are the trends which will impact what's going to happen with IT in 2020 and beyond. To my mind, they all come together in what I call the PuSh game. What I mean by that is the PU in the PuSh game stands for the increasing role of what I call the public trifecta in the way which the companies would operate. Public trifecta includes public trust, public perception, and public policy. They will become increasingly important, and hence the drive towards purposefulness. The way it manifests itself is in chemical companies trying to be a major players in what is being called the circular economy, trying to reduce plastic waste, oil companies thinking of carbon dioxide sequestration, means all the things which are major influencers of public trust, public perception, and public policy will have a bearing. How it impacts IT is that IT will have to be facilitating the business in putting the platforms together, whether it is in terms of measuring KPIs, which will help see whether companies are making good progress on their purposefulness goals, or creating the platforms which will enable the circular economy and things of the like, which are driven by this public trifecta. The next two letters are S and H, which stands for the sharing economy. I see the sharing economy moving beyond just the customer, just the individual stage to the enterprise level. We saw some of that in place in terms of shared office space with WeWork and the others, but I'm thinking that it will spread to other aspects. Maybe a manufacturing plant capacity can be shared using technology platforms. Print capacity within various offices and at stores and all could be shared amongst multiple users. So this is another trend which would grow, and IT would need to enable. Then we come to the second part, which is the game part. The game part, the G stands for the gig economy. Every work will become increasingly atomized and biddable, and so the whole way which people approach work will change, and tools and techniques will emerge which would make this entire platform supporting gig economy more robust. The A stands a very familiar one with AI. I would think that the AI overlords, as we say, will become increasingly powerful. Lot of the capabilities which are right now human delivered will be coming from AI, which will be embedded in lots of things we do. Associated with that is of course the need for AI to become more responsible, more ethical, and more explainable. There would be an increasing demand from the public trifecta we talked about earlier, in terms of needing to know why AI did what it did, how it does what it does, kind of things. Are we ensuring that biases are not creeping into AI and things of that kind? Next one after that is what I'm calling is like make things easy. Amazonification, so as to say, people expecting IT to become much more easier within the corporate environments too. So that would be an increasing trend, almost like a easy button kind of thing. Self-healing systems, when things go down, they are able to rectify the problems by themselves. Capabilities of that kind. And the last one, the E, is for extensible clouds, by which I mean that the clouds of various cloud services providers, there would be seamless interoperability across them, so that it becomes one extended entity rather than the discrete elements it is right now. So once again, in my mind, the trends which I have the biggest bearing on IT in the year ahead is a PuSh game, the rise of the public trifecta, rise of the sharing economy, increased role of the gig economy, AI, Amazonification, and or make things easy, and extensible cloud. So once again, PuSh game. Watch out for the PuSh game in year 2020 and beyond. Thanks, guys. Happy holidays. And my next video most likely will be in the next year. Thank you. Bye-bye.